Hi guys, it is me back with another video on FMG question, and today I am going to discuss the anatomy of the wrist bone. So let us begin. True about blood supply of scaphoid bone is it mainly through ulnar artery, major supply from ventral surface, major supply from dorsal surface, or proximal supply in antegrade fashion? So pause and try to answer this question. So first of all, we need to understand what are carpal bones. So the carpal bones are the small bones which are found in the wrist. As you can see in the diagram, these all are the carpal bones. Okay, and we have a very nice mnemonic to learn the sequence of the carpal bones from lateral to middle side. It is so we have 8 carpal bones in total, of which yeah. They are arranged in the wrist as shown in the figure. So yeah, and they connect the bases of the five metacarpal. These all are the metacarpal bones. Okay, so they all connect the metacarpal bones to the phalanges. Okay, fine. Now let us learn the sequence of the carpal bones. So we have proximal and distal sequence of the carpal bones. So proximal row of carpal bones from moving from radial side to ulnar side are the scaphoid, lunate, triquetrum, and pisiform. Okay, scaphoid. Here is the scaphoid. This is the scaphoid. Then we have the lunate. Yeah, this is the lunate. Okay, this is the triquetrum and the pisiform. Okay, and the distal row of the carpal bones are the trapezium, okay, trapezoid, capitate, and hamate. Okay, so the very simple mnemonic to learn this carpal bones is the she looks too pretty, try to catch her. Okay, just don't take this seriously. In this mnemonic, she represents S for the scaphoid, L for the lunate, T for the triquetrum, and P for the pisiform. Okay, she looks too pretty. Okay, then we have the distal row of carpal bones, which have the tri. Tri means trapezium. Okay, then we have the trapezoid. Try to to catch. Catch means capitate, and H is for the hamate. Okay, guys. So in this way, you can learn the sequence of the carpal bones in the wrist. Okay. Now comes the blood supply of all carpal bones. So the radial artery, ulnar artery, and anastomoses provide the blood supply to the wrist. Okay. Major supply 70 to 80% of scaphoid comes through the dorsal surface via the dorsal branches of the radial artery. Okay. These dorsal vessels enter the scaphoid at or just distal to the waist area and supply the proximal pull in the retrograde fashion. Okay. The scaphoid, capitate, and a small portion of lunates 20% all have one intraosseous vessel supply. The trapezoid and hamate both have two areas of blood supply without intraosseous anastomosis. Okay. The trapezium, triquetrum, pisiform, and most lunates have two areas of blood supply and consistent intraosseous anastomosis. Okay. So what will be our answer to the question that I gave you previously? So the answer to the question that I gave you previously was is the mainly from the dorsal surface of which artery? Re- Radial artery. Okay, guys. So the scaphoid bone is supplied mainly by the dorsal surface of the radial artery. Okay. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe. Thank you.